Today I have an interesting video for you guys. A subscriber that wanted to remain anonymous sent me some information about this that I thought was mind-blowing. I didn't really realize this was a thing that you could do, and I want to say right off the bat, because I don't want to waste anyone's time that feels like this isn't important information or relevant to them. This is not going to apply to probably most of you, but it might apply to a handful of you. And if so, I think this is a really quite a lucrative way to donate plasma. And so before we get started, if you appreciate these videos, if you enjoy them, and they're helpful to you, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe or like the video or share it, whatever you can do to support the channel. I'm also going to put a link in the description below that is a referral link if you're going to start donating plasma at BioLife. That's where I currently donate based on where I live, and it's the closest center to me. That referral bonus would help me a lot as well. So, but with that being said, we'll jump into the video. So the anonymous subscriber that reached out to me told me that they have an autoimmune disorder. Nothing specific about that. They just said, I have an autoimmune disorder. It's a pretty, I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just something I have. But because of that, plasma centers really want my plasma, and they said they make $475 every single time they donate, which is crazy because that's like how much normal donors make in an entire month, at least in my area. So I did some research. They sent me some links to do some research through as well, and BioLink is the website I'm going to refer to most often throughout this video. I'll put a link in the description. But BioLink is basically a company that contracts with plasma donation centers that are already in your area. And if you qualify to donate through them, because you either have, there's a couple of things that they're looking for. So infectious diseases, there's certain diseases that can qualify you to donate. Autoimmune disorders, that's a big one. And then something called polyclonal antibody needs. So they basically have this information on their website. You look through, does any of these things apply to you? If it does, you can qualify on the website, submit a quick form, and then you can start making a lot more money donating plasma. I'm saying you can make up to $52,000 a year. And that's based off of some simple math. If you donate twice a week, every week, and you're making maximum $500, they say they can compensate you with. That's $1,000 a week. It's 52 weeks in a year, $52,000 a year. Now that is taxable income, so gross $52,000. And we're talking about disease state plasma is what it's called. That's not like a super nice term. I don't think people want to be known as like, I'm a donor of disease state plasma, but I mean, people that just, everybody's got, you know, something, and you know, people that have autoimmune disorders. I have a relative that has an autoimmune disorder. I'm definitely going to tell them about this to see if they would qualify. But if you do qualify, why not make some money off of, you know, that unfortunate circumstance? If you're open to donating plasma, obviously do what's best for you. So as I emailed back and forth with this anonymous subscriber, they said that they get $400 per donation, but on top of that, they get an extra $75 for food and gas because their closest donation center is not very close. And I think they mentioned as well that they stay in a hotel for 2 nights. So a hotel is paid for them for 2 nights to stay so that they can do both donations while they're in the area, which is crazy. And they said they only go 2 times, or only do this 2 times a month, so a total of 4 donations, so bi-weekly, just because that's what they decided is best for them. But they could go every single week if they wanted to. Again, leading to, you know, if you're getting the max compensation, leading to $52,000 a year. Really, really good thing to be aware of. I just thought it was super interesting. It doesn't apply to me, but like I said, I know of a relative that it could apply to, and I'm sure there are several of you out there that, even if it doesn't apply to you, might know of somebody that you could talk to about this, and that could be a really positive and lucrative venture for them, especially to take advantage of something that's not so, you know, positive, having some sort of infectious disease or autoimmune disorder. But thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe, leave a like on the video. I'll have more information to give you in the future on plasma donations and just finding some extra side hustles to make ends meet. And we'll see you in the next video.